The fastest way out of overwhelm isn't to think your way through it. It's to feel your way back in. If today felt loud, if the screens, demands, and mental noise have left you feeling scattered and far from yourself, then this meditation is going to take you somewhere quiet and bring you back into your body. I invite you to take a slow breath in through the nose and let it go. Allow your imagination to carry you gently now. Picture yourself standing at the edge of an ancient forest, looking into the vast, dense jungle. The trees are tall and deeply rooted. They have been standing long before you arrived, and they will be standing long after you leave. The light filters down through the canopy in long, soft shafts. The air in front of you is cool and clean, carrying the faint scent of moss. Take your first deep breath of it in, pausing to hold for a brief moment. This is what stillness feels like. Then exhale it all out slowly. You step into the forest. The ground beneath your feet is soft, covered with moss and fallen leaves, giving gently with each step. Birds move through the trees, unhurried and free. Nearby, the quiet sound of water moves over a bed of stones. You find a clearing where the sunlight pools warmly on the earth, and you lie down, feeling the ground receive you completely, feeling firm and steady, warm from the filtered sun. You sense the soles of your feet resting against the earth. The earth beneath this forest has been here for thousands of years. It has held every storm, every season of change. And right now it is holding you. Imagine roots beginning to grow from the soles of your feet, moving slowly, deeply downward through the soil, anchoring you, grounding you, connecting you to something far steadier than thought. With each exhale, feel any restlessness release into the feet, draining downwards into the roots, into the earth. Your awareness moves to the calves, shins, knees, and thighs. Notice any tension there, any holding, and with your next exhale, let it all soften. The leg muscles here completely surrendered. Like the roots of these ancient trees, your lower body is anchored. You are not going anywhere. You are here. Sense the presence of your hips. Notice if there's anything lingering there. Heaviness, holding, sensations. Breathe into it. Think of the trunk of a great tree, solid, centered, and deeply stable, rooted from below and open above. This quality lives in your spine. Let your lower back sink a little heavier into the earth, supported and at rest. Your belly, at times the area of anxiety. Allow it to soften and move freely with each breath. The mid-back, the side ribs, the space between the shoulder blades. Let it all sink a little heavier, melting into the earth beneath you. Your chest and heart center. Notice the quiet expansion and contraction as the lungs fill and empty. A rhythm that has been with you every moment of your life, asking nothing of you, asking only to continue. If there's any tightness here, any emotion that has been sitting quietly in the chest, notice it and breathe into it. Think of the canopy above you, branches reaching outward, open to the light, neither grasping nor resisting, just extending and just being. Let your shoulders take that quality. Invite them to release and drop downward, like someone gently placing their hands there, allowing you to let go. Let that softness travel down through the upper arms, the elbows, the forearms, into the hands. Notice any sensations in the fingers as they softly curl, still and at rest. Bring your awareness to the neck and throat. Sometimes they carry the weight of unspoken words. Whatever has been held there in the past, you can let it soften now. The jaw, sometimes tense without our knowing. Let the teeth part slightly. Let the tongue soften. Let the muscles here simply release. Your eyes soft and resting, the lids heavy. The forehead, if there's any subtle frowning or holding here, let it smooth out. Now the mind itself. Look up in your imagination through the gaps in the canopy above you. The sky beyond the trees is vast, open, limitless. It has never once been disturbed by a passing cloud. The clouds move through it, but the sky remains. Whatever thoughts remain, let them be like clouds passing across that open sky. You notice them, and you let them pass. You are not your thoughts. You are the sky they move through. Now let your awareness expand to hold the entire body at once, from the roots at your feet to the trunk of your spine, to the canopy of your chest and arms, to the open sky of your mind. You are like this forest, rooted yet alive, still yet breathing, ancient in your body's wisdom, fully present in this moment. Notice how the body feels now compared to when we started. Maybe heavier, maybe lighter, maybe simply more here. This is your body doing exactly what it's designed to do, finding its way back to calm when you give it your attention, when you slow down enough to listen. Stay here as long as you need. Thank you for being here and giving yourself this time. You and your body deserve it. May you carry a little of this forest with you, the rootedness, the stillness, the quiet knowing that underneath all the noise, you are steadier than you think. Until next time, beautiful soul.